What's up, y'all? It's your boy jkoolii back with another video. As you can see, I'm inside the Scat Pack 2020 wide body charger. Now, I got every option but the carbon fiber package. So eventually, I don't know, to save some money, I guess I'm gonna just wrap this in this part. But I want to take it a little further. So got these carbon fiber bits. I'm gonna just basically install them, and you guys can comment and tell me how they look to you, if you think it, is too much or it looks good or not. But basically, I'm gonna just install this right fast. I'm thinking about putting this little red lining around this and around this. But yeah, I'll be back. I gotta install it, and then y'all can tell me what y'all think. All right, peace. PSA: this shit does not fit this wheel. If you have a wide body with a flat bottom steering wheel, apparently they changed the whole wheel. Cause this shit right here, it looked like it fit, but it don't. Let me show y'all. Hold on. See this shit? It looked like it fit, right? Don't get me wrong, this part fits perfectly. But then, it's a discrepancy. Cause look, this shit perfectly on there, right? Perfect, boom, look beautiful. Oh, inside, perfect, well, kinda. But like, as soon as you get to this bottom piece, I don't know if you can see this, but it got like these little two ridges. I don't know if you see this. This shit do not got two ridges. It actually goes inward towards the bottom. Like, yeah, that shit do not fit. And I broke the other one trying to fucking fit it on there. But shit, I mean, I guess this will do for now. It ain't like, oh yeah, I got this shit too, this little baby. I kind of don't like this because it don't show you, the on, start, the accessory off, but it ain't that deep or whatever. But I really like this, but yeah, it's cool for now. I guess whenever they come out with the updated version of the steering wheel, I'll just finish these two parts off. But now I'm gonna attempt to get this bullshit on. But I feel like this ain't gonna fit either, because if you look at this, they done tried to upgrade the quality a little bit, and there ain't even no space in between this bitch. There ain't no space between there. Like, shit, I done bought the wrong car or something. I'm gonna give it a shot though. I'll be back. Man, y'all don't even know what I've been through the past 20 fucking minutes, but so I improvised. I just cut the bottom pieces because this too small for this part anyway. So this little dark gray showing. So I figured if I just cut these at the bottom, since they don't fit anyway, it could kind of contrast the gray showing right here. But y'all can let me know what y'all think. Shit, I couldn't even get this joint in between here. This shit's so damn tight. That's what she said. But look, I'm probably gonna take it to a shop, have them do it. But yeah, this is what I got for now. So I got the shifter, carbon fiber, power start, push the button start, carbon fiber ring around it. And I got the makeshift carbon fiber steering wheel. I don't know, I kind of like it low key. I'm gonna let y'all get the full thing. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe. This is the beginning of many. I don't even call this no mod, but I'm gonna call it a mod anyway, just cause YouTube. But yeah, getting my tents this weekend. Might get a muffler delete. I don't know, man. That shit crispy though. Alright, I'm out this thing. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.